morning, children. Today we will start with lesson number 11, simple present tense. Open your grammar book. The simple present tense is used to talk about things that happen regularly or part of our daily routine. For example, I play basketball. She always brings her laptop. Look at the pictures and fill in the correct verbs. Waters, swims, drives, sings, eats. First sentence, Mohit dash in the bathroom every day. Mohit sings in the bathroom every day. Kevin dash cornflakes every morning. Kevin eats cornflakes every morning. Rushali swims on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Mr. Shah dash his car to office. Mr. Shah drives his car to office. Salim dash the plants every day. Salim waters the plants every day. In all these sentences, the words sings, eats, swims, drives and waters are verbs in the simple present tense. They show actions that happen regularly. The simple present tense is used to indicate the following: general truths or facts. Means the simple present tense is also used to talk about things that are true in general. For example, trees give oxygen. We all know that trees give us oxygen that is used for breathing. Or I can say, for an example, the earth moves round the sun, or the sun rises in the east. In simple present tense, we add s or es to the original form of the verb when we use it with singular nouns or personal pronouns like he, she and it. For example, Sam plays football every Sunday. The moon shines in the night sky. She bakes a cake on her birthday. In the simple present tense, we always use the simplest form of a verb with plural nouns and personal pronoun like I, you, we and they. We use the original form of the verb, means we do not make any change in the verb. For example, Max and Emma love chocolate milk. I pray every night. You play the piano very well. We walk to the beach on weekends. They visit their grandfather once a month. The words love, pray, play, walk and visit are in their original form. We will continue in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.